Howdy fellow Sublimation peeps. In today's video we're going to be doing baby onesies. These Raglans here were sent to us by Heat Transfer Warehouse through their Sublimation lineup, and we're going to show you how easy and quick they are to do. We're going to do just a simple design and we're going to press them. And we're going to start right now. So alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get all this taken care of. I'll show you how we do this. Go ahead and pull out our tray. It's good and warm. We're going to put our paper down to protect our heat press. We'll do this orientation right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this down just like so, and we're just going to print this little area right here. I'm going to hang the buttons off the heat press so we don't get problems with that. But like I said, before we do anything, we're going to go ahead and lint roll them. That way we get any lint or anything off of them, and it's not permanent. And then we'll pre-press it, and then we'll actually press it. So we're lint rolling. Then we're going to give it a quick pre-press of about 10 seconds. So we're going to put that on in there, and once again we're just doing like a 10-second press. So it was starting at 75, so we're going to let it go to about 65. Alright, all done. Now we'll notice when it comes out, it's going to be a lot flatter surface to try to sublimate on because we pre-pressed it. So now we're just going to line up our stuff, and we're going to line up using these little the little lines right there to make it super duper easy to get on there straight. So we're going to line up the graphic, and once again this is just printed sublimation paper. Nothing special there at all. We're just going to line it up. Baby onesies are so easy just to line up and do right. I don't feel like you even have to tape them really. We're just going to put it on there, but make sure the paper don't move. Push it on back in there. And we are going to go ahead and hit go. And we're going to press it at 370 for 75. Alright guys, come up on 20 seconds left. I'm going to put one glove on just to protect my hands. The other one I'm going to use to get the paper off. And once again, with this heat press, it'll automatically raise once the time runs out. Makes it super duper easy. So then we can just roll with it, and we can take it. We can get this paper off, and there we go. Exactly as expected. And there we go. Perfect. And as you can see, a nice crisp print. Super duper easy. I totally forgot to film this before I did this, but the size on this print, I mean, yes, you can print up to like 7 inch by 7 inch. Usually is about the biggest you can do. But I ended up going with about 6 inches wide, as you can tell. I felt like about 6 inches wide, and I think the thing's about 5.25, 5.5 tall. But overall, I feel like 6 to 7 inches wide is about all you probably need to do on these onesies. So if you can design with that base in mind, you should be fine. So alright fellow sublimation peeps, that's exactly how you do it. Overall, good product. I didn't get quite enough pressure on that right side of the garment for some reason. I don't know why that particular spot kind of faded, but I think it's totally acceptable for what we're doing. It's you know, it's kind of a short-term kind of thing because babies be growing quick. But yeah, the overall fantastic product from Heat Transfer Warehouse. As always, I'll have a link in the description where you can find it, and also all the settings we used, the size we used, all that good stuff. So if you want to try it, feel free. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more sublimation content. Peace, guys. Love y'all.